This literature kit on Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl helps students gain a better understanding of the book so they can really enjoy reading it. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Test critical and creative thinking skills by conducting a character study of Willy Wonka before even reading about him. Discuss the pros and cons of having a no-gum policy at school before getting together for a class debate. Gain a sense of Charlie's hardships with tailored true or false questions. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as inventing your own chocolate bar with a list of ingredients, a slogan, and commercial. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Create an acrostic poem puzzle for a partner to solve using unique words from the book. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.